HOA factor. Exquisite open concept renovation. Brand new roof. 5 bedrooms plus DN. Stunning lake views. Sparkling pool, 2018, low HOA fees, $150 per month. From the moment you walk into this stunning remodeled home combined with the panoramic lake/pool views, you will be amazed and impressed. Some of the many fine features of this home are a total reconfigured kitchen with walls taken down to enlarge the kitchen/dining area, beautiful quartz counters, giant island/breakfast bar with under-counter lighting and stainless farmhouse-style sink, tons of counter space, white soft close cabinetry, wine/coffee bar, wine/beverage fridge, stainless appliances, recessed lighting, built-in desk overlooking pool, large dining area and great room plus additional storage under the stairs. The entire first floor has luxury vinyl flooring, a guest bedroom and full bathroom with shower/tub combination, new vanity, lighting, plumbing fixtures, custom tile, and shiplap. The upstairs has all brand new carpet, a spacious loft/den area, a large guest bathroom with quartz counter, tub/shower combination, large laundry room with folding station, extra storage closet, and 4 bedrooms. The spacious Primary Oasis has views of the lake, a huge walk-in closet complete with a closet cabinetry system and modern barn door. Ensuite bathroom with freestanding custom tub, beautiful large custom tiled shower and tiles floors, new plumbing/light fixtures, quartz vanity with dual sinks, private toilet closet, and large linen storage closet. Enjoy the beautiful sunrises over the lake, take a dip in the sparkling, newer pool, 2018, on your pavered lanai. Sliders lead you out to the under truss shaded area and onto the pool area, which is completely fenced, plus there is ample space for playing in the yard beyond the fence. The front entryway welcomes you with a screened enclosure and beautiful tile. This is truly a wonderful family home with space for everyone, your company, office, elderly parents, and all the kids. All of this on a large lot, plus a freshly painted 2-car garage complete this wonderful home. Low HOA fees, pets welcome, and within a friendly, small, gated community complete with a community pool. Premier location tucked away off of Daniels Pkwy, 2 miles west of I-75, within minutes to the airport, churches, hospitals, grocery, and schools. Plus only a short drive to Miramar Outlet Mall, Belle Tower, and Coconut Point. Please make sure to click on the virtual tour for even a better look at this one.